Conserving water while planting and gardening is an excellent way to be environmentally conscious and reduce water waste. With the help of the Master Gardeners, here are some tips to help you conserve water in your garden. Water deeply and infrequently during the cooler parts of the day. This helps plants develop root systems and become more resilient to drought. Watering early in the morning or late in the evening reduces evaporation and allows plants to absorb moisture more effectively. Mulch your garden beds and weed frequently. Apply a layer of organic mulch around your plants, such as wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves. Mulch helps to retain soil moisture by reducing evaporation, preventing weed growth, and regulating soil temperature. Weeds also compete with your plants for water and nutrients. Removing them regularly ensures that the water you provide goes to the plants you want to cultivate. Choose native and drought-resistant plants. Select plants that are well adapted to regional climate. These plants are often naturally suited to local conditions and can tolerate drought. Collect and reuse rainwater. Setting up rain barrels to collect rainwater from rooftops and gutters is an excellent way to reuse water. You can use this water to irrigate your plants and perform outdoor household activities. Remember, every drop counts. Conserving water in your garden helps the environment and saves you money on your water bills. By implementing these tips, you can create a sustainable and water-efficient garden.